India Tour of New Zealand 2022. Team India final T20 squad versus New Zealand.
Number 1 Hardik Pandya, captain all-rounder. Number 2 Rishabh Pant, wicket-keeper, vice-captain. Number 3 Suman Gill, right-hand batsman. Number 4 Ishan Kishan, left-hand batsman. Number 5 Deepak Hooda, all-rounder batsman. Number 6 Surya Kumar Yadav, right-hand batsman. Number 7 Shesh Iyer, right-hand batsman. Number 8 Sanju Samson, wicket-keeper and right-hand batsman. Number 9 Washington Sundar, all-rounder batsman. Number 10 Yuvendra Chahal, right arm leg spin. Number 11 Kuldeep Yadav, left hand leg spin. Number 12 Arshadip Singh, left hand fast bowler. Number 13 Harshal Patel, right hand fast bowler. Number 14 Mohammad Siraj, right hand fast bowler. Number 15 Bhuvneshwar Kumar, right hand fast bowler. Number 16 Umran Malik, right hand fast bowler. Who is your favorite player? Please comment below.